Welcome to the mobile voting tutorial video. The voting feature allows you to ask subscribers a multiple choice question using SMS messaging. After logging in, you can either click on the multi-channel voting button or head over to the Engage menu and click here. Here, you will see all of your recent voting campaigns. Click Create to set up a new one. Voting Types lets you decide how your question will be initiated. If you check mobile voting, you can have people text in a mobile keyword to participate in the voting campaign. Or if you check Push to Vote, your question will be sent directly to your subscribers' phones. For this video, we're going to select both mobile voting and Push to Vote. Next, you're going to enter a word or short phrase to create a mobile keyword. When people text in this keyword, it will trigger our system and they will receive your question. Here, you're going to type in your multiple choice question. If you find yourself asking a yes or no question, you should check out our yes/no response feature, which is designed specifically for those kinds of questions. Next, you can combine this voting campaign in a report with other features. We're going to leave it unselected for this video. Here, you will select the duration of this campaign. We'll leave the start date to today and let this campaign run for 1 week. Your SMS header is located in the first section of the SMS message and lets your subscribers know who's sending the question. We recommend leaving it as a default header for consistent messaging. In the voting choice section, you will be able to create answers to your question. Let's go ahead and click Add to create our first answer. In the first field, you will enter the first voting choice. In the second field, you will enter a custom response they will receive for choosing this particular answer. The last field is to choose a distribution list. We recommend having the system auto-create a new list, but you may choose an existing distribution list to add context to. Auto-create will make a new list that's labeled with the answer and date. Let's add one more choice before continuing. You can add up to 10 answers, but keep in mind the maximum character limit of 160 still applies. The last section on this page is the age restriction. Since this voting campaign is permissible for all ages, we'll put 13, which is the minimum age requirement for SMS messaging. Once you have reviewed your work, let's go to the last step and continue. The next step shows you how the message will appear as a text message. You have your text character count on the right. You can include additional text if needed, but keep in mind it will use up characters above. The late voting response is a custom message for people who participate after the expiration date. This would be the last step if we only chose the mobile keyword option. Since we also chose to push the voting question to our existing subscribers, there is one last step. Let's click Continue. Here, you will choose a distribution list to send this question to and apply any filters you wish. We'll select a list and click Preview and Send. This last preview section shows you the selected distribution list, credit costs, and text message displayed. Once you're satisfied with your work, agree to terms and click Send. Then click OK after reading the information about the mobile keyword you created for this question. Now, you've just sent the question to an existing distribution list and have a mobile keyword that new subscribers can text to participate. Throughout the campaign, you can view the stats by clicking on the voting campaign and clicking Report. This wraps up the mobile voting tutorial video. Thanks for watching.